Previously on Design Via. And we can barely enter through this way. But this is where the door is supposed to be to go to the bathroom. That is getting done today. But drywall is up for the most part. We have actual ceiling. We finally have an opening for the door. They added the cement for the shower. They added the cement board. They added the niches for our shampoos and soaps. And they raised the height for the shower heads. They cut out the drywall for the electrical. So these switches, it's gonna be, one switch is gonna be for the shower. There's a special light for the shower. The other switch is gonna be for the vent and for the light. Over here, this is gonna be an outlet, and then this is gonna be a light for our mirror, because it's gonna be a lighted mirror. And over there, it's gonna be another outlet. So the special lighting that's going to happen in the shower is actually this Bluetooth wireless speaker. I think this is so cool. Like, who doesn't like listening to music while they take a shower? So this is another special treat for the shower. So here is a sneak peek of what we're going to be doing for the tiling in the bathroom. So this large white tile, we're going to be using them in the shower. So they're going to be lined up vertically, yes, vertically against the shower walls. And this herringbone pattern is going to be used on the floor of the shower as well as in the niche. And then this leaves this patterned one for the actual flooring in the shower. Not in the shower, in the bathroom floor. So all of these tiles I actually bought from Home Depot. These were in stock, just had to go to a few stores to pick them up. And these two I had to order online, but they were delivered in about a week. So fortunately they came before they actually needed them to do the tile work. So I'm glad about that. Space is nicely coming together.